G'day and welcome to the Guy Who Sews channel. My name is Sean and today I'm going to take this wonderful set of pre-cut fabric and turn it into clue one of the new Carnival Puzzle Mystery Quilt by Cotton Cuts in the Bomb Pop colorway, which is a series of red, white and blue batiks. I'm really excited to get this journey started. It's going to be a lot of fun. This is going to be a time lapse, so it's going to all come together in just about 3 to 4 minutes. So check out how it all comes together and we'll see how it turns out at the end. And we are all done with clue one. Let's take a quick look and see how it turned out. I think it turned out beautifully. I love all the different colors. There's two different reds, there's and the white and the blue, and some of the red has little dots on there as well. So it's going to turn out really, really beautifully. And this looks a little different to the previous patterns I've seen from the Puzzle Mystery Quilt. So I'm really interested to see how it all turns out. If you want to get in on this, it's not too late. You can go over to cottoncuts.com and pick out your colorway. There's like 12 to choose from. Use my code SEANCARNIVAL to get a free gift, and then yeah, join in the fun with us. So if you did enjoy the video, please hit the like button, share with a friend, and I always love hearing a comment. Let me know if you're sewing along with us or if you participated in previous Puzzle Mystery Quilts. I hope you all have a great day, happy sewing, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye.